Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. The month is April. Next month will be May. So what day are we? Let's say it all together. Today is Wednesday, 29th, 2020. Remember to wash your hands daily. And for your morning workout, remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day. Today we will be working on science. Remember to do all your other lessons. And today I am feeling happy because we are in the middle of a week.